Hi guys, it's Mina. Welcome back to another nighttime pouring episode. We actually just finished a pour a couple of minutes ago and I still have some paint left, and I've, as usually happens with me, I've refined the palette a little bit more and decided what I like and what I don't like and what I want to do, which, you know, that's a natural progression of pouring, is you see what works and what you like and then you move forward from there. Let me show you my colors real quick and we'll get started. This is actually a 24 by 24 gallery wrap canvas that I am pouring on top of. This one was turquoise and Prussian blue and some obsidian, and I just don't like what the obsidian did, and too much white on here. So we're gonna pour on top of this. Okay, so first color we're using, Golden's Prussian Blue. Everything is mixed with mix tonight, mixed pour. If you wanna get some mixed pour for yourself, ooh, there's paint on there now. You can email Krista at krista8974@gmail.com. and she will set you up with your own mix. So this is Golden's Prussian Blue in a thick mound on a mound. Okay, this is actually the drips that I just scraped off the table with the last pour we did, but it's a very pretty color, so I might use it a little bit. There's a lot more turquoise in here than there is in this palette, so I just got green all over my hand. So this is my titanium white from Amsterdam, with a little bit of satin enamels in there. Okay, this one is actually Artie's colors in cadmium yellow light hue. The Artie's colors are very similar to Golden's. As far as I'm aware, you can't buy the Artie's colors in the States. They were a gift from my lovely friend Fiona from Fiona Art in Slovenia. Okay, this one is Nickel Azo Gold from Golden, mixed with a little bit of Treasure Gold Fire Opal. The DecoArt Treasure Gold Fire Opal, which is this one. Just a little bit. And I think that that's one of the best uses of these DecoArt Treasure Gold series, because they are kind of pricey, is to mix them with an opaque color. And then you still get that sparkle, but not as expensive. This is, speaking of sparkle, my 24 karat gold from DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics. Okay, so let's see. We're going to layer a cup. For 24 by 24, we need about 21 ounces of paint. That's a 16 ounce cup, so I might fill it up again for 4 or 5 ounces. Okay, so this time I want to do Prussian Blue on the bottom. And just a little tiny bit of this greeny drips color. And then some white. And then some of our yellow, and then some of the Nickel Azo Gold. Maybe a little bit more of that. And then some gold. And we're going to do it again. I am going to put a little bit of white in between there. Prussian Blue. Greenish drippy color, a little bit of white, a little bit of yellow, Nickel Azo Gold, gold. I think we can get one more layer in there. Prussian Blue. I'm going to skip the green one this time. Oh, no, I'm not. Paint. Yellow. We're going to get to that 2 millimeters, honey.
What's up? Oh, yeah.
Okay, so that's our cup. The first of the cups. There may be another one. This is 24 karat gold that I have thinned out just a little bit, and I'm going to pour that into the center in a puddle. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Aye, aye, my love.
Here we go. too, huh? Okay. I'm not gonna worry about that. That's really pretty though. Alright. So let's do that again. Same thing, same order. Prussian Blue. I like that green, so I'm not gonna be a chicken about it anymore. Some white. Some yellow. Azo Gold. Gold. And a little bit more white. I think I do want a little bit more Prussian Blue on there. I'm going to take a little bit of my gold and just go around the edge of this first before we put any more paint on there. That way if it does slide over that, that's fine. It'll give us some nice gold cells. Okay, we're going to go right back to the middle. You ready, HOA?
Yes, ma'am.
Here you go. Physically remind myself to breathe. That looks pretty cool though. I like it. Okay, so that's awesome. I have here Naples Yellow Deep Hue, which I have thinned out a lot. So it's much thinner than that paint. And we're gonna go around this with the Naples Yellow. Give our paint some things to slide on, nice and easy. Alright, let's give this a quick torch. So I'm gonna take my hands off. Okay. Alright, this is looking great. We're gonna go down that way first. Slow through the edge. Take this back down to the center. Well, somebody had asked me how come I don't take something back down to the center sometimes, and that depends on whether or not I want to keep the composition intact. If I do, then I'm going to be more careful about stretching it out and taking things back down to the center. But if I'm not concerned about keeping the original composition, then I might not. Show this bit. And now we're gonna get off of that edge. A little wonky, but it's kind of cool though. I love something. This reminds me of one of Sarah's pours. I love Sarah. Okay, let's see. We can't straighten this out. We're going to find the way to the paint and get it back to the center. I think I like those things that are compressed. I'm just going to go down this way a little bit. Straighten that out. That's pretty cool. What do you think, HOA?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
Do you like it better compressed like that, or did you like it better where it was? I guess more blue.
I like more blue.
So more like where it is now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Blue Galaxy.
And the only thing is if I pull it back down where it was, then this opens up a little bit, these lines. Maybe just compromise a little bit. Put that down just a touch. Okay, I like that. That's really cool. I'm gonna wipe my hands off and we're gonna torch it.
What you could do is bring that side down to the edge of the light blue, and then when you bring it back, it'll open that stuff up.
Yeah, but I love this. And I love this.
You know?
Okay, it's very cool.
That's perfect.
That nickel Azo Gold with the fire opal in there is amazing. Okay, let's torch this. That's pretty awesome. I'm very happy with this. I love how it turned out, and I will show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so this is a few days afterwards, and this is SunFire, which was actually shot right before the painting for today. And this just is so beautiful. These colors are so rich, so deep. Let's see if I can see. There we go. So pretty. I love that loop-de-loop. And a little bit of the ring port we got in there. Lots of depth from that fire Azo Gold. Really, really cool stuff. I love the Prussian Blue. I love that cadmium yellow. You can see the shine on there. Really, really pretty. So this was SunFire. I love it. I love how it turned out. We'll be right back. Okay. So this is, I love how this one turned out. It's so beautiful. And I know why I love it. And it's because it really reminds me of my darling friend Sarah Mack's beautiful galaxy pours. And this is so pretty. Let's see if I can get closer for you. This beautiful seafoam color from the cadmium yellow and the Prussian blue, and then that color from the drips we used from SunFire. Just so pretty. These lines is gorgeous, gorgeous. Fingerling. And this area here, pretty. So beautiful. This is like malachite or some sort of stone or geode. Really pretty stuff. And then gorgeous. I love that blue, the Prussian blue in the middle with just a little bit of that seafoam green color. And then we see the fire Azo Opal. Really cool lines in here. This is my favorite stuff right there. That like dark, dark blue with the cells popping through it. Just beautiful. So, that's awesome. This one is gonna be our Seafoam Galaxy, honoring my darling Sarah Mack, my sweet, sweet friend, who's always such an inspiration and does such amazing work. So, thank you, Sarah, always for the inspiration and your friendship and your advice and expertise. You're amazing, and I love you so much. So this is cool. The center of this is not quite dry, but the rest of it is, and this head is just such a pretty shine on it. Just really beautiful. I love the way mix dries. It's really gorgeous. So I'm gonna get down off this ladder, and I will see you guys real soon. Thank you so much for being here with us today. We love you a lot. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.